watermelon juice. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So today we are making watermelon juice. So I have my watermelon here. So we have some easy peelers, oranges, tangerine, whichever one. Why is this not coming out? Yeah, we have two here, and we have this lemon. Yeah, so watermelon, oranges, and easy peelers, whether orange or tangerine, and then lemon. It's time to press. So guys, I didn't even know this thing is a blend and go. Like you put your fruit, cover it this way, and start blending. Wow! I thought it was just a juice bottle because it came in this cover. So it came this way. So I was thinking it was just a juice bottle, like a juice bottle. I didn't know it was a blend and go. Blend and go. Blend and go. Blend and go. Oh, that's nice. I'll be doing a lot of juice in there because you just boom, 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 boom. You come out. You are done. Blend and go. Blend and go. Blend and go. Blend and go.
Hello guys, I'm going to cut that house favorite the lovely today.
Put a little. Just this little lemon. So guys, we have finished cutting the fruits. We have the watermelon here. We didn't cut all. And we have some tangerine here and few pieces of
Lemon!
So let's start let's start juicing.
I have lemon. Oh, can I have a watermelon too?
She's gonna cut small for her. That's too fast. See amount of juice. Press it. Turn it to one. Okay. See? You have to tell you guys something.
Guys, we finally made our own watermelon juice. I was so happy. If you want to see more of our videos, subscribe. And like the house button and press the least button if you like it, or if you don't like it, put another one. Want to click this right button, press the right button and make the like button to love. If you don't love it, just take another one, then that's the end. Bye bye.
So what do you want guys to do? So what do you want guys to do?
Subscribe.
So go back now.
Subscribe.
So what do you want guys to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to what?
Subscribe to our video.
To your video. I didn't know it was full on.
Now we can lick watermelon juice on the table.
Get his A paper towel.
Okay, this. No, I'm eating it.
Get a fresh one now.
Okay.
How is the juice?
Mom, I want some juice too.
Get a paper towel now.
That's fine. Wait. Yeah. Huh? Excuse me.
Ooh, see the amount of juice we've got.
Whoa!
Wow.
That's a wrecking ball.
So guys, can you see the amount of juice we've got so far? We are still making more. We've not even added the tangerine, and we still have some more watermelon here. But let's have a taste.
Can I taste this one? Can I taste, Mommy? That looks like good juice. I envision in the light and the tunnel come around. I envision to
Chizera, I know you finish it now. So come closer.
I like it.
So we finish this thing.
Give it to us.
So see the straw.
Hey, Soso, watch it.
So yummy, yeah? Now go and sit down. Let's try this one with lemon and oranges. So I'm doing the one with lemon and oranges. I'm talking and people are laughing. I don't know what to. Let's have this.
Yes, let's have a taste.
This looks nice.
This one you want to put. Just
Mama, this is the orange one.
Mom, can I taste some? I want to taste
It's
now.
nice. How is it?
Give it to me! No, mine. I want it.
So she doesn't want orange.
Lemon and orange is the best juice ever. Mom, let's have this. I think my favorite juice is lemonade.
Okay, wait, let me make some lemon. Some this one and add to it. Where is the knife? Pass me the knife. Sweet.
Does it taste yummy or bitter? Oh my god. But I think this is the best juice ever.
Alright.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Want some, guys? Go, 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 go.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Come on, my sweet girl. Cheers, guys. Let me mix up the last one and then. I'll buy like 2 juice bottles, eh? And when we buy watermelon, we'll make it, put it in the little juice bottle, and pop it in the fridge. So anybody that wants to drink, you drink. You know it's natural juice you're drinking.
Oh, we can make ice cream juice.
The popsicle one.
Then if you pour and if you lick it, you say,
See the ice cream one here.
ew!
What is eating you?
So look at this.
So guys, we've got the pop here. So this is a pop. What do you mean it's gross? Then I swallow it.
It looks like dirty bittermint.
But you're drinking the juice. Don't you know it's from... So let me take spoon, Joe. He's nice. He's not gross or anything. It's very nice and healthy. This is the fiber.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having my other friend. Let me taste.
It's watermelon. Why are you not eating the watermelon?
Oh no.
It's watermelon, just that the juice has been squeezed out. So this one is now like chaff. Very nice. Open your mouth very well. Is it like some orange used to lick? If people don't want to eat the pork, they will not be doing juice again. Open your mouth. Good stuff. Yeah. Put up. Let me give you a down. We'll study the kitchen. When you get hungry for food, come to collect your last one. You get hungry for food. Yeah, let's get food. So someone come and collect your last one.
That's all.
We had one.
At last, it's gone. No more pop.
Are you drinking? So guys, we enjoyed juicing. It was awesome. It was lovely. It was amazing. Yeah. So Adeze and her sister so come now. So they're on half term this. So come back and stay. So they're on half term this week. No school this week. So that's why we've been trying out a lot of things. We just did the juicing, watermelon juice, and tomorrow we are going to be doing zobo drink. We have our zobo here, and then maybe some other time this week we'll bake maybe banana bread. We've baked banana bread in this vlog, in this channel. But if we don't bake banana bread, we might just bake something else just to keep them busy during this half time. Okay?
Okay.
So are you guys happy? Okay. Alexa, what is the temperature today, please?
Right now, it's 10 degrees Celsius. Tonight, expect a low of 9 degrees. By the way, you have a new notification.
Can you put rice in my shopping list, please?
I added rice to your shopping list.
Can you also add Greek yogurt, please?
Greek yogurt added to your shopping list.
And also banana. Alexa, can you add banana to my shopping list, please?
I've put banana on your shopping list.
Alexa, what time is it, please?
It's 7:55 p.m.
Alexa, can you play me Celine Dion song, please?
Oh.
Shuffling Celine Dion and similar artists on Amazon Music.
All right.
Hey. Thank you.
Turn the light off, please.
Of course. How would you feel if your own fiance? Hey guys, Mommy's friends just came to our house and they brought us these yummy snacks
What snacks is that?
and chips.
Okay. What's again?
We have this candy.
Ooh.
Yay! We have red one, black one, yellow one, brown one, yellow
okay.
one, brown one.
So what are those? Dry your hand.
And banana.
Okay.
So we're going to eat them. We have
Oh.
biscuits.
Turn it to me. That's like cookies, family biscuit mix. Hi guys, how you all doing? So my friend just left my house now. I couldn't vlog. She came with her husband and her kids. They came to visit me after I got back from travel for the burial. So they just came around to visit, and yeah, it was fun having them around. And what Adeze showed you guys were the things they brought for the kids. It was nice having them around. And Esther, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for coming. I do appreciate. Okay, thank you, AC. All right. All right guys, talk to you guys later. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Right, take them to the pantry, girls.